How to make Asian eyes pop with makeup. Step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Starting off with contact lenses. I like wearing them instead of glasses because I have a prescription, but also because I like playing with different colors and they make my eyes glow. This one's my favorite, Midnight in Paris from Moody. There's also enlarging lenses with a wider diameter of color, but girlies be aware, enlarging lenses doesn't suit everybody and if you can't pull it off, it will look clowny. Starting off with eyeshadow, the best eyeshadow combination in my opinion is a light shade, medium shade, a dark shade, and a shimmery shade. Light, medium, dark, shimmery. If you can find palettes with 4 shades like that, it's easy to work with. You can skip the lightest one or the darkest one or the shimmery one, but the other 3 has to be there. So starting off with the lightest shade, I like to take the lightest shade and apply it all the eyelid as a base. This creates a nice base for the eyeshadows to layer on later. It's also good if you have like veins or natural pigmentation on the eyelids. It covers it and gives you a clean base. Next we're going into a darker shade, a transition shade or medium shade. Apply it over and blend it nicely. Bring it down the lower lash line as well. It doesn't matter if you're using light shades or dark shades, make sure you're taking your time to blend well, make it look natural and clean. You don't want this to look like the eyeshadow pop out of nowhere or make it look dirty. Next I'm taking the darkest shade. You want to put the darkest shade on the outer corner and under your crease, and then slowly as you blend upwards, but don't bring it too high. Keep going back and forth, you don't want this to be too strong, this will ruin the look. Working on that outer corner spot. And then blend up and into the lighter color from before. Now we need a small flat brush like this. Take the darkest shade. The darkest brown is going on the lower lash line, but we can change the eye shape a bit. So as you guys can see, the skin around my eyes goes upward like this. We're going to apply the dark brown not here, but a little bit lower just to give it a more rounder look. Bring it in, but not all the way in. Here we're going to draw aegyo. Now with whatever is left on the brush, we're going to draw the shadow under the eyes, the little fake eye bag. Smile and find your aegyo, and we're going to draw on it. Like this, and now we're going to take the lightest shade again and go over it to make it look more natural. Gently blend it out. Now for all the girlies who have small eyelid space below the crease like me, we can play with the space above the crease. Taking the little flat brush again, dip into the darkest shade, we're going to draw what the Chinese girls call 仙女线, the little fairy line. We're going to draw a little curved line. Like this. Now we will take the shimmery shade and apply it on the middle of the eyelid. Don't put it too much, don't put all over your eyelids. We want the dimension of the darker and the lighter shades, the texture of the matte and the shimmery eyeshadow. We're also going to apply a little bit of shimmer on the inner corner here and here. Now for eyeliner, I like to point the end of the wing and then bring it in, fill in the gap. A tip that helps to look for the direction of the wing is to look for where the eyebrow ends. Curling my lashes and mascara. Don't apply too much mascara, this could get very heavy for your lashes and then they will draw down. Apply only a little bit, let the curl stay in shape and then you can go back to it again. Lower lashes as well. When I blinked there was this dot here, so I'm just going to draw over it and get a mole out of it. Completing the look with lashes, taking sectional ones. I normally don't wear lashes, I think it already looks very nice, but for the sake of this video, I wear lashes and make my eyes pop even more. Apply it beneath your natural lashes so it kind of pushes your lashes up. And this is done! Look guys! I hope it was helpful.